Hey.
Dobby waits.
So, all right, y'all. Hold your dad's hand, Sequoia. What we're doing now is we're going to go pick up our laundry. So we pick it up from this Tanzak market. And we're gonna show the process. Almost hit her head. Fresh fruits over there. Crab, fish. Fresh fruits. Come to the market. Come to the market. Alright, so the spot is right over here. This cute little laundromat place, wash and dry. We put all of our clothes into the laundry basket. I mean, into the suitcase, and then we come and pick up.
Simple.
Yeah, super simple. So what we do is we fill up our clothes. We put all of the clothes from the hamper, and we put it into the suitcase, and then we walk the suitcase like right across this little sidewalk here to the Tanzak market, and she tells us what size, and she always gives us medium. So how much is it for medium?
160 baht. So that's like 480 or 490. So just about $5.
Yeah. So folds, wash, dries, puts it back into the suitcase, and we come pick it up. It usually takes her about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the time of day, what day it is, and how busy. And we literally just put it right into the closet. So super easy and simple. It's like right down there. All right, wait, Zavi.
To the left as well.
All right, good. So yeah, that is our laundry day.